In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a page on Wix. Hiding a page can be incredibly useful when you want to keep certain content out of the main navigation, perhaps to curate a more tailored browsing experience for your visitors, or to temporarily remove a page from easy access without deleting it. So, let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow. First, you'll need to navigate to the Wix website editor. This is where all the magic happens and where you manage every element of your website, from the pages to the design elements. Once you're in the Wix editor, you're in the right place to start the process of hiding a page. The next step to focus on involves clicking on the Pages and Menu tab. This section gives you a comprehensive view of all the pages currently set up on your site. You can find this tab usually on the left-hand side of the screen. By clicking on it, you'll access a drop-down or a sidebar that displays a list of all your site's pages. Now, you'll want to choose the specific page you aim to hide from the Wix website. Once you've identified the page, hover over it and look for the three-dot icon, sometimes referred to as the More Options button, appearing usually to the right of the page name in the list. Clicking on these dots reveals a menu of additional options for managing that page. Within this menu, look for the Hide from Menu option. Selecting this will effectively remove the page from the site's navigation bar, making it less accessible from the main interface of your site. This action does not delete the page or erase its content. It simply makes it less prominent to visitors who might not otherwise reach it via a direct link. Hiding a page could be particularly beneficial if you're preparing content that isn't quite ready to go live, or if you have seasonal pages that aren't relevant year-round. Additionally, it's a simple way to streamline your site's navigation by ensuring only the most pertinent pages are easily accessible. Remember, if you ever need to make that page visible again, you can follow these same steps and unhide the page just as effortlessly. Wix makes it easy to reverse this process, helping you maintain full control over your site's layout and visitor accessibility at all times. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful tool in your Wix arsenal for maintaining your website exactly how you want it. Thank you for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to check out more tutorials for managing and enhancing your online presence.